my dear tube friends. This video is the first in a series of videos dedicated to the Valentine's Day. In these videos I will show you how to do very unique but simple gifts for her, for him, how to decorate your house, and how to do the Valentine's Day table place setting. The first thing I would like to show you today is how to do these simple but beautiful bead flowers. Let's get started. Let me show you now how to do these beautiful flowers. I already did half of them. Let me show how I do the second half. Silver wire 28 gauge, 5-inch long pieces of wire. The first bead goes on band, a pearl beads through two ends, a bead cap, and a final bead through one end, and start twisting. A leaf from a Michael's wedding section, and twist again, and make the direction you want to, and two pieces together, twist. And this simple, beautiful flower is done. The same with this, the same length, one bead, bend, two beads through two ends, the last bead through one end, and twist. And attach to the leaf. And attach to the second half, make sure everything in the right direction. And the last flower or twig is also done. Here you go, ready. Now I will show you how to do these beautiful pics. You use this glitter tool of various colors. This is a mesh. This is a long piece of glittered tool. Then you cut small pieces like that, maybe 2.5 squares, and then you bend them like that. First bend, so you're not going like this, you're going like that, and another bend like that. And then you use the best friend of all crafters and the toothpick. And be very careful when you bend. You don't touch this hard glue, and you're done. One more. This is the strip. You cut it into squares, bend like that, bend another time, hard glue, glue is on, the toothpick, and you're done. And you can even enhance this if you again use the glitter tool, bend it as I showed, then place a feather and then apply the glue generously enough, and again be very careful, and the toothpick goes inside, and you press it and hold it maybe for 10 seconds, and you're done. Now you have this beautiful pick with a feather. Now I'm going to show you how you can deconstruct this $1 flowers from the dollar store. It's easy like that. And then you take toothpick and our magic tool, the hot glue gun, and just insert it because there is a hole right there. And we are done. The pick is ready. And you can do as many as you want. Now I will show you how to enhance this ornament. And you just, again, using the hot glue gun, apply the glue and then just glue these little bits like that, and it's much nicer now. Now I will show you how to decorate a box like that. I have all my elements ready, and I already glued a cut piece of this self-adhesive paper. You just cut and take away this portion and you can glue it to the box like I did. And now I am going to use all my elements I prepared to decorate this box. Here you go, our box is ready and all other presents are ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos in this Valentine's Day videos about decorations, gifts and table place setting. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the new one.